Hello kids, so I'm back with a craft activity for you and we are going to make this very sweet and cute envelopes. As you can see here, it can be used to store your cash or whatever else that you have, small things, secret things that you want to, you can put it in here. So we are going to make these envelopes. So for this we don't need any kind of scissors or glue or pens, nothing at all. What we need is just a square paper. Okay, so you can make it with a plain paper, and then you can maybe have some texture on it, draw something on it. Or I have this printed paper, so I'm going to use this to show you how to make the envelope. Very easy. So let's start. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to join this corner to the other corner. That is, I'm going to join my diagonals. Okay, like this. Okay, so I have a triangle like this, and with the pointed edge on top and the flat edge towards me, I'm going to open it up. You will see one crease in between here. I'm going to take this end and join it to the center line. Okay, this is my center line where we had folded earlier. So I'm just going to join it to that line like this. And I'm going to again fold it up. Okay, is that clear? I'll just repeat it one more time. So we have this paper. I have folded it in half and I have made a crease here, diagonal fold. I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to take this edge and join it to the center line. Okay, to my center line, and I'm again going to fold it so that it looks something like this. All right, now with the flat edge towards me and the pointed edge towards the other side, on the opposite side, I'm going to take this corner and I am going to fold it just a bit, this much. Okay, so you can see a triangle that forms here, and the same thing I'm going to do with the other side as well. So I am going to see that both the sides are equal. Okay, so there you go. All right, so I get a structure something like this. I have just folded these two corners like this. Okay, see that both the edges, both the sides are the same. Just press it a little bit. Now the first thing you're going to do is fold the right side, and then you're going to fold the left side. Okay, then I'm going to take this edge, this tiny edge here, okay, which I folded from the left side, and I'm going to give it a slight fold to my other side. See, I've just taken this small bit and I've folded it like this, and now I'm going to just make a small pouch here, just something like this. Okay, can you see? So I'm going to make a small pouch here with my finger, and I'm going to make a diamond shape like this. Can you see? Something like this. So what have I done? I have just taken the corner, I first folded it, I got a crease here, and then I have opened it up and I have just pressed it to get a small diamond type thing here. Okay, diamond type shape here. Okay, I hope that's clear. Now what we have to do is, once we get this small shape here, the small square or diamond, I'm going to fold the top portion like this. This is going to be your flap, and I'm going to insert this flap in the small diamond that we have created. Okay, so that it doesn't open easily. So this is just kind of a latch, small latch for your envelope. So there you go, your envelope is ready. So you can just open it and you can keep your stuff inside here, right? So that's my envelope. So please do make this easy envelope. It's very easy. All you need is a small piece of paper which is square in shape, and nothing else, right? So there you go. Let's keep it like this. Looks nice. All right, try it and let me know, and do show me the pictures. Thank you.